In this tutorial, we will walk through the complete process of creating and managing a group appointment. A group appointment allows multiple patients to be scheduled for the same appointment and join the same session with the practitioner at the same time. As you can see, I am currently logged in as an admin. Appointments can be created by users with admin or front desk access. Before creating a group appointment, we will first create an individual appointment to understand the basic difference between the two appointment types. To begin, click on the calendar. Here, we can see two sections, individual and group. We will start by creating an individual appointment. In the individual section, select a patient. Since this is an individual appointment, only one patient can be selected. As we can see, the appointment is created successfully and is displayed on the calendar with the patient's name. Now, let's move on to creating a group appointment. First, select the first patient. Unlike an individual appointment, we can now see an option to add more patients to the same appointment. Select the additional patients who should be part of the group appointment. Next, select the practitioner and choose the appointment mode. In this example, we will select online so that we can verify whether the meeting invitation is sent to all the patients. The group appointment has now been created successfully and is displayed on the calendar. We can also see the difference between the two appointment types. The individual appointment displays the patient's name directly, while the group appointment is displayed with a plus sign and the number of additional patients included in the appointment. Now, let's verify whether all the patients received the online appointment invitation. We have opened the inboxes of both patients. As we can see, both patients have received the online appointment invitation. To further verify that they are part of the same group appointment, we can check the meeting ID in both emails. Both patients have received the same meeting ID. Next, we will join the online meeting. First, log in as the practitioner and open the group appointment. Here, we can see the group appointment along with the Join Meeting button. Click on Join Meeting to start the session. Now, we will join the meeting using the patient's email invitations. First, Patient 1 joins the meeting by clicking the Join Video Call button from the email. Next, Patient 2 joins the same meeting using the Join Video Call button from their email. Now, let's return to the meeting. We can see that all the participants have successfully joined the same session. The practitioner, as the host, can manage the available meeting functionalities. The practitioner can either end the session for everyone or leave the session. In this example, the practitioner leaves the session. We can then verify that the participants leave the meeting and the online session is ended. Now, let's move on to assigning notes to a group appointment. To assign a note, go to the practitioner dashboard and open the group appointment. Click on View Notes. Here, we can see all the patients who are part of the group appointment. A note is assigned to a specific patient, not to the entire group appointment. Therefore, select the patient to whom you want to assign the note. After selecting the patient, we are taken to the page where we can assign a note specifically to that patient. Select the required note, fill out the necessary fields, and submit the response. Once the note is submitted, sign the note to complete it. Now, we can see that the note has been successfully assigned to the selected patient. Once the patient's profile is open, go to the appointment section. The first appointment is the group appointment we created earlier. Click on View Notes. As we can see, no notes are displayed for this patient because the note was assigned to another patient in the group. We can verify this from the appointment as well. Open the appointment, click on Notes, and select the patient to whom the note was not assigned. As we can see, no notes are found. This confirms that a note assigned during a group appointment is associated only with the selected patient and not with the entire group appointment. Now, we can see what if we remove patients from group appointment until only one patient remains. We can see that the appointment automatically redirects to the individual appointment section and appointment updated from group to individual. We can also delete group appointment. Now let's see what if we create group appointment by selecting only one patient. We can see that it throws at least 2 patients required error. This is the whole flow of group appointment